Hello, in this video I will be showing you an overview of the back-to-back order functionality in Sybiz Vision. Let's have a look. We turn it on by going to Data's Defaults, then to the tab Back-to-back Ordering, and we tick Using Back-to-back Ordering. We then select the various other options that are applicable to us. More information about these options is documented in the help file. Once we click OK, the next time we do a sales order, we're all ready to go to use back-to-back ordering. So I'm just going to open one that I previously processed. For each inventory item, we have the ability to set its back-to-back ordering behavior. I've added 3 items to this sales order that each have different settings. The simplest one is to never use back-to-back order, which is the standard behavior for any new inventory item. The next is to order only when the stock on hand is 0. So if there is sufficient stock, the behavior will be the same as without back-to-back ordering. But if your stock on hand is 0, there will be a back-to-back purchase order created. And the third option is to always order the product. This is typically used in large volume or large dollar value scenarios, where you don't want the warehouse or the cash flow tied up for longer than necessary. Only if you have a firm order from your customer is when you spring into action and order the goods yourself. I'm now going to process the sales order, and the system is going to order from 2 separate suppliers in this example. So I click process, and you can see that there are 2 purchase orders created as a result of processing the sales order. And finally, this is the sales order itself. Now, if I go back to my just processed sales order, I can see that in the purchase order column, there's now information about the generated purchase orders, only applicable to the lines that actually created a purchase order. If I now close this screen and go to my outstanding purchase orders and refresh this, you will see that there are 2 new purchase orders added to the system with the sales order reference listed. Once these purchase orders have been delivered, you can then process the delivery through to your customer, either via delivery or a straight invoice calling up the relevant sales order. To learn more about back-to-back ordering and related functionality, you can check out the product help. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Sybiz.